The brain is the most important organ you have, according to the brain. Welcome, I'm Jason, and in this video I'm going to talk about brain foods, specifically natural nootropics. Nootropics are drugs, supplements, ingredients, and other substances that claim to improve cognitive function, like memory, creativity, concentration, and motivation. With our increasingly distraction-prone society, more and more people are looking for something safe to help them focus. Fortunately, there are many natural options that have additional benefits over and above the focus factor. We'll also talk about the best foods you can eat to naturally boost your brain power and promote cognition and overall brain health without the use of synthetic drugs. At the end, I'll talk about my favorite natural nootropics and brain supplements. When we talk about nootropics, it's important to distinguish the different kinds out there, synthetic and natural. Synthetic nootropics, like Adderall, are man-made and can often have negative side effects associated with them. Natural nootropics are found in nature and come from herbs, roots, tea, and coffee. These are what we'll focus on because we love supplements and healthy food. Natural nootropics come from Mother Earth, have been studied and used for many years, centuries even, by several different cultures all over the world and tend to have less negative side effects than synthetic substances. So, let's look at a few natural options that have become increasingly popular. Rhodiola rosea is an Arctic root found in the mountainous areas of Europe and Asia. It's known to have slightly stimulatory effects and has been used to ease symptoms of stress and fatigue while increasing cognitive function. One study was done on military cadets working the night shift and found that rhodiola improved the cadets' capacity for mental performance and reduced fatigue compared to those who were given a placebo. Ashwagandha, also known colloquially as Indian ginseng, has been used extensively in holistic ancient Indian medicine. Stress is one of the greatest threats to productivity. Ashwagandha's primary function is as an adaptogen, which means that it helps the body adapt to stress and has a normalizing, mood-enhancing effect on the body. It has also been used to help induce sleep and increase acetylcholine levels in the brain, which relate to memory and intelligence. I personally take ashwagandha at bedtime to help me get into deep sleep. Bacopa, a plant with long leaves and purple flowers, has been used in traditional Indian medicine to improve memory and cognition. Several studies have been done on Bacopa monnieri which show many positive effects on the brain. For example, it was shown to increase the length and branching of dendrites. Dendrites are an important part of nerve cells that receive information from other cells. An increase in dendrite length is directly correlated to a higher rate of learning, better memory, and an increased ability to produce and process visual information in the brain. Bacopa monnieri helps reduce cortisol, which is a hormone linked to higher stress levels. High cortisol levels have also been associated with stress-related overeating. If you want to stay up to date on our other health and wellness related content and see future videos, make sure to like and subscribe on our channel and check out our other videos on detoxing and keto. Omega-3 fatty acids, my favorite, specifically EPA and DHA, are essential nutrients commonly found in fish oil. They have long been studied for their positive effects on heart and brain health. The human brain is made up of almost 60% fat, and about half of that fat is omega-3. Therefore, omega-3 is a vital component of brain health and cannot be underestimated. Omega-3 has been known to combat a decline in brain function and can improve hyperactivity and impulsiveness. All right, let me get a drink. It is also essential for brain development, and studies show that DHA, specifically, can increase brain speed and improve short-term memory. Curcumin is the primary active compound in turmeric, a commonly used Indian spice and medicinal herb, and is a natural antioxidant. Curcumin can increase the levels of serotonin and dopamine, which are both important neurotransmitters in the brain related to mental health and mood. Neuroplasticity is the ability of the brain to change its structure and is a key part of development, learning, and memory. It's what heightens certain senses when one sense is lost or inhibited, and it allows the brain to repair itself from damage. One of the molecules that contributes to neuroplasticity and, consequently, learning and memory is BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. BDNF is a vital part of brain health, and studies have shown that curcumin can boost the levels of BDNF in the brain. Your body can have a difficult time absorbing curcumin on its own, so it's generally a good idea to combine curcumin with black pepper to increase curcumin's bioavailability, or the amount that the body can absorb. Magnesium is an essential mineral, and just like curcumin, it increases the neuroplasticity of the brain, which supports learning and memory. It does this by controlling ion channels in the brain, which are essentially switches that allow the brain cells to communicate with each other, which contributes to neuroplasticity. ATP is the molecule responsible for converting chemical energy from food into fuel for the body, and 20% of the body's ATP is in the brain. Interestingly, ATP synthesis requires magnesium to work, and supplementing with magnesium can help reduce a decrease in cognition, learning, and memory that comes with aging as ATP levels decline. Most magnesium supplements are not very effective as nootropics because they don't cross the blood-brain barrier, so the best form of magnesium to take as a nootropic is magnesium threonate, which is a water-soluble form of magnesium that easily crosses the blood-brain barrier. Magnesium is another supplement I take at night to help me achieve restful sleep. I highly recommend it. Creatine is a natural occurring amino acid used by the body to synthesize protein. Creatine is commonly used as a workout supplement to build muscle, but is also used as an energy source in the brain, your most important muscle. Caffeine and L-theanine make quite the dynamic duo. They are both naturally occurring, often found in tea, and together create a powerful brain-boosting supplement. Caffeine provides an energy boost to the brain, while L-theanine has a somewhat counteractive calming effect, which can promote creativity. The brain gets most benefit when these two supplements are taken together. CBD, or cannabidiol, is a non-psychoactive cannabinoid that binds to the body's endocannabinoid system's receptors. The endocannabinoid system, or ECS, regulates multiple processes in the body, including sleep, mood, appetite, and memory. CBD can promote regulation of these processes, or homeostasis, aka body balance, and may contribute to both overall brain and body health. I'm a big fan. Another great way to naturally boost your brain power is through the ketogenic diet, or keto. Ketones, which are produced by your body and used as fuel during the keto diet, can act as natural antioxidants and prevent damage to your brain cells. They also power up your mitochondria, which directly affect the protective factors of the brain. For further details on how to start the keto diet, watch our latest video on keto. The best way to improve your brain health is by improving your diet and stimulating your brain through exercise. Many of the ingredients we just talked about can be found in a balanced diet that includes fruits, vegetables, nuts, whole grain foods, proteins, and plenty of water. Here are the more super brain fueling foods. Fatty, oily fish, my personal favorite, avocados, coconuts, eggs, coffee, blueberries, broccoli, pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate, can't get enough of that, nuts like almonds, cashews, and walnuts, and leafy green vegetables. Sadly, most Americans fail to maintain a healthy diet, which has led to a rise of the use of natural supplements. Some of my favorite supplements that are packed with natural nootropics and brain boosters are Brain Vitality, Supra Omega, Sisel Thin, and Sisel Sport. Sisel Sport contains creatine, L-theanine, caffeine. These are ingredients that help boost brain concentration and sometimes contribute to the muscle-mind connection when working out. Sisel Thin includes ashwagandha, which helps release fat when fat burning, and magnesium. Supra Omega Plus is almost a perfect omega fatty acid product, including EPA and DHA. Brain Vitality is the mother. You've got to try this product. It contains curcumin, Bacopa monnieri, and magnesium. If you enjoyed this content, tell us what your favorite nootropics are and what you're currently using and planning to use. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching. Yeah. I mean, it's a true statement. Neurotropic. Dang it. You stinking darn.